Hey, what's up everybody? It's Adam with DIY Agency, and in this video we're going to talk about Boomerang, and this company is really an buddy. And if you know anything about me, or if you watched any of my videos, you know that I like to make passive income, and I like to do it through affiliate marketing, and I like to do it through white labeling softwares. I run a digital ad agency, and whenever I can white label a product or service and make money by doing having somebody else run the operations for me, it's a huge win. And of course, anytime I can recommend a product that's going to help a business do better or help another marketer do better with their business and still yield some profits, I love to do it. So this company does a little bit of everything for that. So first and foremost, what they do is, the product itself is a loyalty program product. So it's going to be all kinds of different So the program itself is focused on loyalty programs for small businesses, whether it be a coffee shop, a gym, dentist, doctor, lawyers, whatever, any kind of business that actually enjoys seeing customers over and over and over again. Obviously, restaurants, coffee shops, places like that are going to have the most use for this. But anytime you can incentivize somebody to come back and engage with you, and if you can do it in a digital format, this is a great solution. So this is really about local businesses that are looking for repeat clientele. And this is a company that has done a lot of great things and had a lot of success. Really what they offer is stamps, cashback, subscriptions, discounts, coupons, certificates. And as we're going to talk about it in a moment, they really make it seamless. So it integrates with a lot of different softwares that are out there. So if you're using companies like High Level or ClickFunnels or something like that, they actually work in the back end with those types of companies. But really what I want to show you is that they have a really smart creative way to promote your business or your client's business and do it where you can really test it out for free. So Boomerang again is going to offer a couple different pricing strategies, but before we get to that, they are working with like 30,000 different businesses. They've been reviewed by all the major platforms that handle reviews, and whether it be Trustpilot, Capterra, even AppSumo. So they have a ton of awards and have had a heck of a lot of success. So let's talk specifically about pricing before we get too far into things. First and foremost, there's always a free trial, and I love free trials. Anytime you can do anything with a free trial, it's awesome. They do have opportunities on a grow, business, agency, and franchise phase. And there's different types of, offerings that can be allowed for each and every single one of them. But what I first want you to do is just try out their free trial and look at the back end. Obviously, keep watching this video. We're gonna dive into the back end a little bit, but just get an understanding of what the platform is capable of. And then I really want to recommend that you get a demo from them. I did a demo with Mike, the CEO today, and this thing is just super cool. It also shows that Mike and this company and his team are really dedicated to having success, and therefore they're going to do the little things that are needed for you to have success, which is always exciting. I do a lot with High Level, as you can see, and that's another company where you can get on a web web call or Zoom, whatever. Basically any day with any of the founders. They are always willing to work with their teams and their clients and their affiliates to try and make their product the best of the best and do whatever it takes. And this company is exactly the same. So I'm really, really excited about it. And again, they offer a white label loyalty platform for agencies. So if you run an agency, and I know a lot of people that watch these videos run either affiliate marketing companies or agency companies, this is really a good opportunity to just increase your revenue stream without having to do that much more work. It's just an add-on that you can again integrate through High Level and really have success. And similar to High Level, once you white label it, you can change the pricing platforms for the 3 different levels that you want to offer. You can offer have people pay by month, by quarter, by year. We're going to get into all that stuff, but before we do that, the other thing I absolutely always love is affiliate programs. And so they offer a really sweet affiliate program where you can offer a coupon or a discount to somebody when they do sign up. So if you hit the link below, you will find a link for this that will get you 20% off your first month if you decide to try these guys out after the free trial. And then, of course, what I'm going to receive is, if you do stay with it, I'm going to get 40% of that revenue every single month. So, the way this works, again, is companies are out there, and hey, there's Mike right there. They're out there to try and grow, and it's really about having recurring revenue for them, for me, for all of us. But if you have a solution that makes sense for clients, and everybody can have a win-win scenario, I'm always a huge fan of that. So how it works, really, you offer a 20% off discount. You basically get 40% of the signups, and again, it's a month after month after month. And then it's a double affiliate program platform, which means that you have two different tiers. So if I recommend John Smith, and John Smith becomes an affiliate, and John Smith hires Mike Jackson, Bill Schwartz, whatever, those people, I will still be able to make a little bit of money from each one of those sales from John Smith. So it's really a great platform for affiliate marketers. And as you probably know, most SaaS companies and most companies nowadays that are running with affiliate marketing realize the growth potential that affiliate marketing provides, and that's why they're willing to give up such a share of the revenue, because they know that adding 1,000 clients to their revenue stream is worthwhile. If they're going to cut you into 40% of it, they're still coming out ahead. It's really the Walmart theory of more and more clients, and they're happy to take a very, very small slice of the profits in order to just do the volume business, and that's what it's all about. So now that we talked about those things, let's go into the back end and kind of walk through how it all works. All right, so once you get into the back end, there's a number of different things that I want to show you, but we're going to kind of run through this quickly, so I'm not going to give you the full demonstration, but I do kind of want to show you the power of this. So if you want to create a loyalty card, you can create it from scratch, or you can use one of the many, many templates that are available. So when I say there's many, many templates, as I scroll through here, I'm going to just let you see. There is just about something similar to anything that you're looking to do. So if you are, let's just say you're a pizza shop or something like that, what you'll see is, again, it's little simple stamps for the loyalty program, and we'll get into the available rewards and all this stuff, the QR code, all that stuff, and the capability of powering it by your company. But as you can see, each one has its own kind of little different images. So even again, if God forbid you have to see a plumber every day, but if you did, or every week, if the plumber wanted a loyalty program, they could use this for it. So a lot of different customizable options that you can go with. You know what? So let's actually go back to that. And let's just pretend that we're working with, I work with a lot of dentists, so let's go with dentistry. So what we can do from here is, again, we'll see the stamp itself. We can customize what the rewards are, the balance. You can see it differently on different things. If there's a discount, cashback reward, if you want a coupon, you can have an expiration date. And a lot of different things. So what we'll do is, again, just kind of do the stamps. And of course, you can choose your language. We'll go with English. Card expiration date. If I want to put a specific date that it's expiring on, I'm going to leave it unlimited. Locations. You just simply add in your location, and that way, if you have multiple locations, it can work with that. Card issuing form. You can put UTMs in there. Again, your privacy policy, your analytics, all that stuff is right there. So. Very cool, very simple to and easy to work with. You can decide whether you want 10 stamps, whether you want 26 stamps. You can do kind of really whatever you're looking for. You can have an active stamp image and a inactive stamp, and you can customize this. So if you actually want to have a picture of yourself or your business logo, all you have to do is upload that. And again, just showing you that the inactives mean that you got to get there. If you've already been there, it's stamped that way. You can, of course, create your own logo to put on there as well. And then, of course, background under stamps, an icon, all kinds of different stuff to, again, do whatever you want to with the customization of this. You can show logo, backgrounds, like I said, all that stuff. So let's continue. Again, there is some form fill information that you need to put in there, which can be time consuming, but you really just have a lot of flexibility on what you choose to do here. And I think that's actually a great thing, is that it's there's just so much opportunity to kind of create information. And then of course you can simply do this, where you have a QR code that you can then, let's just say you're in the dentist's office and you want to be able to offer this in the office. Literally, you can have this printout. You can, again, have all the details written on it. So if you just print one of these out for each and every single page that you're on, or every desk that you have. And so here, as you can see, I customized it a little bit with just to quickly put my face on there, put my logo on the top, put something in the background. So you can kind of mess around with what you want to do as far as all this kind of stuff. And just the same, you can kind of do whatever you're looking for. So once you're done that, you can go ahead and create as many as you want. Next thing we want to talk about is just where all your customer information would be. You can import your customers. We'll get into the push in a later video. But I did want to just show that you can send push notifications at any time that you want, based on whichever card that you want. You can select whichever customers you want and the like. So let's get into the capabilities of the agency white labeling and then, of course, the affiliate program. So what I think is great about this, again, is the ability to kind of white label this software and create it as your own. So, the first thing that you'd want to do is go ahead and create, your agency information, your white label information, integrate your payment systems, for example. It has a number of different things. Enter all your company info. Again, have your white label connected. You can just simply create, a page on your site with CNAMEs. And again, I'm going to have you do this on your own. I don't want to go too deep into the woods on this. But the one thing I really, really love is that you can customize the plans based on what you're looking to do. So let's just say I wanted to have, a start plan, a go plan, all these different things. What I can do is change the name of it. Let's just say instead of start, I wanted to say it was, the beginner. I can create what kind of currency I want to do. I can change the pricing for whether they're paying on a monthly basis, a quarterly basis, or a yearly basis. So it's $69 a year. Per month if they're paying by year. It's $99 per month if they're paying by quarter, or $139 per month if they're paying on a monthly basis. And again, I can go ahead and customize each and every single one of these and have as many plans as I'm looking for. Now, just something to know that there are actual details based on each plan that you would want to go through, and depending on how many geolocations your client would have, all that stuff. Customizable a little bit, but most importantly, there are certain things that they only get with certain plans. So I just wanted to share with you quickly that I did jump on a call with, again, the CEO of Boomerang, and we kind of walked through things, and I wanted to just share that, again, this integrates directly with High Level, and I don't want to get too deep into the woods on this, but there is just so many integrations within the snapshot that they can provide. Again, workflows that are super, super detailed. And it's just really great information, and the capabilities that you can do with this once you start to again, customize it and create your own little page. He walked me through, further than I'm doing, the capabilities of the white label and the branding, and how to change out the powered by, and it's all in there. It's fantastic information, and again, you can use a ton of different integrations as far as once you're within there. You can use Mailgun to send your emails. You can use Twilio to send text messages. It integrates with Google Tag Manager, SendGrid, PayPal, Stripe. First Promoter if you want to run your own affiliate program. It's just really awesome what you can do. And again, you can customize the agency, all these different things. So again, I spent, as you can probably see, about 45 minutes on this call with him to just walk through all the details. So I'm sure I'm not doing it justice with what the capabilities are, but just wanted to share with you that, again, Mike is usually available for calls and can certainly help out with any questions that you might have. So let's talk affiliate program, because that's one of the things I really, really love. Again, it's a simple, you can give somebody a 20% discount off their first payment, and then every single month that they're signed up, you get 40%. Throughout the lifetime of their tenure with Boomerang. So really all you would do is just get signed up, offer your 20% off discount, and then make some money. So that's a real simple way to do it. Again, link below if you're looking to get started with that. So finally, again, just what I want to make sure that you cover is the agency aspect of this. You can create a number of different sub accounts. You can create different types of plans. You can accept different types of payment systems, and that's all in there. And again, your settings are going to be based on the information that you want to use, and then again, you can provide tons of promo codes and the like. So here's the important thing that you should be aware of is there's a lot of opportunities for help center information. If you have any questions or anything like that, usually it's just as simple as just clicking a button, and you'll find tons of video content there for you to go through every single detail on how to do every single thing. And if you really need it, I actually, like I said, got on a call with the CEO the other day, and I'll share some images throughout this if I haven't already, which I may have already edited in some images and details. Mike was amazing to demo the walkthrough, and again, it integrates